In this video tutorial, I would like to introduce some key reading skills you'll be working on throughout the summer. And the purpose is to help everybody learn how to read for deeper meaning. All right, so most reading questions would often ask you to answer what the main idea of an article is about. You would also be asked questions relating to drawing conclusions, making a prediction, word meaning, cause and effect. If one event happens, what will happen next? That would be the effect. Another reading skill that everyone will be working on is to make an inference. To make an inference means you read a specific paragraph, and the reading question might ask you, "Oh, then what does the author mean when he or she says a specific statement?" Without the article itself stating the answer. So you got to be able to infer what's happening. And you'd also have questions relating to supporting key ideas, which sentence from the article best shows why. And you'd also have questions related to comparing, contrasting two ideas or two characters or any phenomena. And then finally, what is the author's purpose for writing a specific piece? All right, so let's cut to the chase and take a look at the first reading assignment. All right, to begin reading this, you can click on, hover over the slides and you can move on to the first part of the reading. And if you prefer, you can also play the audio while reading. So let's do that. All right, so that's just two slides of the reading, and the rest you'd have to read on your own. And I will help provide some strategies on how to answer the first two or three questions here. Let's take a look. What is the main idea of the passage? So, as I was saying earlier, let me open this again. A very common reading question that you would encounter or see on a reading test is asking for the main idea. All right, just based on two paragraphs, what can we conclude about the main idea of the passage? Does the paragraph state anything about exploring the features of the White House? No, I think this article was, according to the first two paragraphs, we know that some scientists are using a telescope to discover new clusters of stars, right? Let's take a look. So it can't be A. B, introducing President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris? No, they were there witnessing what's happening. C, discussing the significance of the JWST. Seems like it could be C, so I'm going to click this. But I'm not going to ignore D. I want to make sure. Highlighting the achievements of NASA's space missions. Sounds like the answer, right? Let's go back and check. Nah, I think the main idea should be discussing the significance of the James WEBB Space Telescope. All right. Now, next question. According to the passage, what was unveiled? Unveiled, remember, means revealed at the White House. I believe this was one of the vocabulary words, all right? So I will be recycling vocabulary words throughout any activity, mainly because you have to integrate 7 with some vocabulary words for writing, okay? Next question. A new political initiative. I'm not quite sure about a new political initiative. Initiative just means like a plan related to politics or the government. I don't think so. B, dazzling images of stars captured by the JWST. This sounds about right. Groundbreaking scientific research, not specific enough, so I don't think it's C. D, the launch of a space mission, not specific enough. So I think the best answer should be dazzling images of stars captured by the JWST. So let's double check. So let's see the image. At the White House, nothing short of wondrous cluster of thousands of galaxies teeming with countless stars. All right, so we have to go back up and double check. So in this case, the answer should be B, or the second one. And this one would be asking for a specific detail. Supporting detail, what is the term refer to? SMACS 0723. Is it a newly discovered planet? I don't think so. A space mission launched by NASA? No. A massive galaxy star? My apologies. A massive galaxy cluster. And then D, a telescope similar to the JWST. I don't think it's D. So let's see. Known as SMACS 0723, comma, this glowing cluster is so big, massive, that its gravitational, meaning pulling, a force pulling to the center field, bends and magnifies, enlarges the light from more distant galaxies beyond it. All right, so the answer has to be this one, B, right? Okay. So I'll just pretend I finished all of these questions, and I highly recommend that you take some time doing this, all right? If you have any questions, feel free to send a message through Google Classroom, and or simply email me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can, okay? And if you feel like you didn't do a good job on this, you're more than welcome to ask me to reset the worksheet and try again until you get 100%. All right, that's totally fine. But I would say a maximum of 2 tries, no more than 2 tries. All right. So here we go, hand in work, and the system will automatically grade this for you. And according to the system, I answered the first 3 correct. So everybody should be able to answer the first 3 correct. All right. So enjoy completing this worksheet.